everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Marion. In today's video, I am doing like recommendations, lip swatches of different variations of red lipsticks for the holidays. You know, this is the time to plan for or be in attendance for your company holiday. Maybe friends or family are having holiday or Christmas parties and you're trying to find that perfect red lip. Well, look no further. I have a couple to recommend to you. Before I jump into this video, don't forget to subscribe, give it a big thumbs up if you enjoy it, hit the notification bell, and without further ado, let's get into it. So I have liquid lipsticks and then I have the bullet sticks. So I'm thinking to make things easier and especially easier to remove is to do the bullets first. So I'm going to start with something that's very affordable, and this is Milani lipstick in Poppy, and this is what it looks like. So this is like a bluish undertone lipstick, very satin, very creamy. And if you want to, you can take like a darker lip liner or lip pencil to kind of ombre it, but it's definitely a stunning red. What do you think about this? Milani Poppy. Trying to be careful and not ruin my makeup. The next one is from NYX. This is another affordable one. I don't think you can get this because this was a part of the Avatar collection, but I did want to show it. This is a deep berry wine looking color, especially for those who like a deep color. This is the shade Natiri. Next, moving on to Juvia's Place, and this is in Afrique or Afrique. Could be pronouncing it wrong, excuse me, but this is what it looks like, and it's part of a collection as well. I think it's still available. Here's another one that has a nice undertone, and again, you can take like a deeper lip liner to ombre it. This is a matte lipstick, but it's not uncomfortable. Keep in mind, my lips will look a little dry because I am, you know, swatching and trying out different lipsticks. Next one is a recent one that I got in the Sephora Advent Calendar, and this is from Give Cosmetics by Gwen Stefani. This is in Anaheim Shine Original Recipe. This is a beautiful red. I cannot wait to try it out. Look at the lipstick. That shine, it's very smooth on the lips. It's so comfortable. It's like a satin feel. Now we're going to move on to the liquid lipsticks. I only have two to show, and the first one is Keep It Full Max Plumping Lip Lacquer from Milani, and this is in Left on Red. I've never tried this one, so this will be a first. I wanted to swatch it so you can see what it looks like on my hand. It is very, very shiny, and let's try it on the lips. So I can feel the tingling, you know, the plumping sensation, but it's not overwhelming. It's not overbearing compared to like the Too Faced. The shine is there. It's a lacquer. It's thick. I mean, it says keep it full. I'm feeling the tingling more so in my inner lip, but not up here. Because if I use like the Too Faced one, like my entire lip be like on fire. So again, this is Left on Red from Milani, and it's a pretty shine. So if you like that plumping effect and you enjoy a nice shiny red lip, then there you go. There's an affordable option. Last but not least is the Fenty Velvet Icon liquid lipstick, and this is in the MVP. I do want the Head Be in Charge one, as well as the Wine. I can't remember the name of that one, but I want that one as well. So I definitely will be getting those, but let's try this one on. So this is the Fenty Velvet Icon in MVP. This is a stunning red. Feels so comfortable on the lips. It is a velvet texture, mousse-like texture. So if you are into that type of lip product or the way that that feels on your lips, then definitely get this lipstick. You can switch it up. You can change it up. You can, you know, pair it with her other lipsticks to kind of make your own signature lip combo. Again, you can use a darker lip liner to ombre it. Either way, this lipstick will go well for the holidays. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take Underdog from Fenty, put that on, and then put this on so I can show you what like a signature lip combo could look like or potentially look like for you. So I'm not really too concerned about taking the lipstick completely off my lips because this is just, you know, demonstration purposes. But I'm gonna take Underdog. You can blot however you want. It doesn't have to look perfect. And now I'm gonna take the MVP. Combining those two took my look to another level. It elevated my lips, if you get what I'm saying. You know, you can take any of the red lipsticks and pair it with Underdog, or you can take just another darker shade lipstick, preferably liquid, so that way you can outline it and it could potentially be like a lip liner. But you know, just play with it, see what works for you. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and as always, thank you for watching.